Hi friends. All right. So we are actually going to be doing a poetry unit. I'm going to tell you a little bit more about it, but after a 2-week unit, we are going to be having a poetry cafe. So I will actually show you this letter that is going to be going home to your parents. As soon as it gets translated, I will send that home. What I want for you to do is start setting up your poetry book on Book Creator. So you're going to be going to bookcreator.com. Right there is the URL. If you just type in Book Creator, you should be able to find this. And then what you need to do is you're going to click here, Chrome. Actually, do not click there. Scroll down. I'm sorry. Book Creator for Chrome. There it is. Okay. Now what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to probably log in with Google. I'm already logged in. So I'm going to sign out just to show you what it looks like. You're going to click I'm a student. I'm of course not a student. I'm a teacher, but I'm going to sign in with Google. And click my name and I should be in. Okay, so here we are. So you might have a few other books or maybe you don't. You need to click plus and then the new book, and then you're going to have something that comes up. I chose a tree because poet tree, but you could choose any kind of image you want, and so you can press plus, and then I actually did import, and you can search anything you want. So that's when I did tree. Okay, and then I just found that one and I added it. If you want your picture to be behind your words, you can move to the front, move to the back. See, there you go. Okay, all right. So I did that, and then I added Mrs. Langle's poetry book, and I did April 2018. So that's what I would like for you to do right now. Go ahead, go to Book Creator, get logged in. Remember, it's Book Creator for Chrome. Get logged in using Google, and then start working on the cover. Once you are done with that, then you can watch my tutorial on how to set up your table of contents. Thanks for watching.